So, my dear friends, this is my first live lecture in this group, and I am coming with a complete book list for the preparation of CSS and PMS. As you see in the topic, there are no quick fixes, no shortcuts. Just having this list of the books doesn't mean that it will be a guarantee and then you will be able to qualify the exam or you will get your final allocation. Always I recommend multiple sources. The topic in the syllabus, that is the touchstone. When you see the topic in the syllabus, you have to prepare the topic multi-dimensionally from different sources, including Google, Wikipedia, Encyclopedia Britannica and other encyclopedias. So the target is the topic and 5 to 10 years previous year papers. That is the touchstone. Touchstone means that is the standard. When you see the topic in the syllabus, first recognize the topic, then define the topic, then describe the topic in a multifaceted way. Do you recognize this topic? For example, somebody tells you photosynthesis. Do you recognize this word, its meaning, and does it bring some concept in your mind? So if it brings a concept in your mind, it means that you recognize the topic. Next step is, can you define this topic? Define means that what are the limits of this topic, where from this topic starts and where this topic ends. That is called definition. So what is the definition of photosynthesis? Do you know the definition? And then next step is description. Can you describe that topic in detail, multi-dimensionally? If you can do it, so your work is done. Now where from you prepare it, that is open from the books given in the list. This is not final list. We will be keeping updating it. I am thankful to the team who is working with me, and we will be updating it, especially Tabinda Ali and other people. They will be also contributing. If you know a better book which is you consider it's a better book than the one recommended, so you can also tell us that book with reasons. And if you don't like a book in the given list, so you can also criticize that this book is not a good one and I have another better option for that. So this way we will be sharing our information, because there are so many optional subjects. So I am not master of all these subjects, neither Tabinda Ali nor other friends. So if you have your own individual experiences, so you may keep this in mind, that you can contribute, you can also add, and this is not the final list. So the message is, you recognize the topic, you define, you describe, then you give all the details by covering the topic multi-dimensionally, and being a critical thinker, you criticize the topic, you make it part of your personality, and when tomorrow you are in examination hall, so you don't have problem of memory, because it is already part of your personality. For example, preparing tea is part of your personality. If somebody asks you, do you know how to prepare tea? And you say, yes, I know. So you say yes without any doubt, in a definite tone. So this was a short message, just sharing with you this list. The list is not final. It can be updated with your contribution. And this is not a shortcut. Just having this list and having these books, you will qualify or you will be allocated. So please, no quick fixes. This is CSS PMS and other exams. That is basically the test of your personality. That is the test of your understanding. Understanding is the fourth stage. We get data, information, and data can be primary and secondary data, information, knowledge, understanding, and the last stage, that is wisdom. So wisdom you may get after the examination. Before examination it is quite difficult to be wise, but still the stage of understanding. The difference between understanding and knowledge is that knowledge is the organized information, systematic collection of information, while Understanding is its application, the way you want. That is called understanding, that you understand the topic. You have knowledge of the topic is one thing, and you understand the topic, that is another thing. You have knowledge means that you recognize the topic. You understand the topic means that without any book, without any notes, if somebody asks you in writing or speaking, so you can describe that topic, and you have full understanding means that you can cover it from all the dimensions. Thank you very much. Now I'll be online on my live on my timeline. See you there.